Interface testing is part of system testing to ensure secure and functional interactions with the system. So these interactions can be made by a user to a system, or it can be made by a system to a system. So user interfaces include the graphical user interface and command line user interface, and the system to system interface include the application programming interfaces or inter-process communication IPCs and remote procedural calls, that is RPCs. So application programming interfaces include the REST or representational state transfer APIs, which uses HTTP or HTTPS to communicate or with the functionality of a system. So a system accesses the functionality of another system using these web APIs over a web protocol. So interface testing should include mainly the confidentiality requirements and also the non-repudiation requirements. So confidentiality is ensured by assessing the access control mechanism, and the non-repudiation is by accessing the logging of actions executed on a system. So this interface testing can be done by a developer, or it can be done by a security practitioner through vulnerability or penetration testing. Moreover, we also have to validate the input provided to a system. So this input validation should cater for typical usage and also the abnormal usage of a system. So all these requirements, test cases and acceptance criteria should be well documented to ensure the testing of a system, so that we can be sure of the data protection which is hosted by this system. Moreover, system testing or interface testing can have various components. For example, a system can comprise of an application server, web server and database server. So security of multi-layered controls should be tested to ensure defense in depth. So the most important or the critical area is web application, because web interfaces are exposed to an external user which is normally outside of an organization control. So in interface testing for a web application, we have to test for the session management protocols. For example, the cookies which are used to store the identity or authentication information of a user. So this was all from my side. Please stay connected. Thank you.